Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 2. Across this module, we will look at the context of population health and its congruence with ethics. A number of valuable resources across this module focused on ethics. Highlighted across this module also includes the County Health Rankings and Roadmap Model, HHS services and agency offices, as well as readings relative to the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. There are a number of resources available again across this module relative or that will be helpful to you as you complete the experiential learning activity. Included in this module include links for the ANA Code of Ethics with interpretive statements, the County Health Rankings and Roadmap module. This resource will provide you information, context, how health is experienced, and factors that impact health outcomes. Very often, we consider health behavior, clinical care, but we know that there are other factors to consider relative to health as well. Across this module, again, there will be information, a wealth of resources from the Department of Health and Human Services. Please do take some time to explore those resources. Again, this is where much of the funding comes from for community services provided to different populations. With the resources here, you'll find more about how funding is disseminated and you will also find information across this module, as I mentioned earlier, relative to the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. Information here should be pertinent to the discussion board question. Please be certain you take a look at the infographic, which illustrates those social factors that influence population health. If you have any questions as we move through Module 2, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you.